Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to password protect your Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, click on online store and select preferences and scroll to the password protection area. Here we can see, and now you have to enable this password option from here. In password, enter the password that you will give to the customers who you want to be able to access your online store. Don't use the same password that you used to log into your admin. And in message for your visitors, enter the message that you want to show on the password page. If you don't want to show a message, then you can leave this field blank, and after that click on save.
If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.